Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Chainlink tokens from your Ledger Nano X to a Tangem wallet. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets securely, this 2025 update will make it super easy. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, stick around because we'll cover everything step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Ledger Nano X and Tangem wallet set up and ready to go. You'll need your Chainlink tokens on the ledger, so if they're not there yet, pause and transfer them from an exchange first. Now, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on your ledger since Chainlink is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Next, fire up a compatible wallet interface like MetaMask or another Ethereum wallet on your computer. This will act as the bridge for the transfer. In your wallet interface, select the option to send tokens. Copy the receiving address from your Tangem wallet. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you have the address, go back to your Ledger Nano X. In the Ethereum app, confirm the transaction details on the device screen. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for gas fees. Hit send, and your ledger will prompt you to verify the transaction. Carefully review everything, then approve it on the device. After approval, the transaction will broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Once it's confirmed, check your Tangem wallet to see your Chainlink tokens arrive safely. And there you have it. That's how you securely move your assets in 2025. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for security, and keep an eye on network fees. If you run into any issues, double-check your connections or seek help from official support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.